Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome. A few weeks ago, I did an eyeshadow tutorial using some of my Coloured Raine eyeshadow singles, and some of you said that you would like to see me swatch all of the Coloured Raine singles in my collection. So you asked and here it is. I'm going to be swatching all 28 shadows. Coloured Raine, they have more than this. Since I picked these up, they have since released and launched more singles in their singles collection. They also, I believe, they have all of the eyeshadows that are in their most popular palette, the Queen of Hearts palette. I believe that if they don't sell all of these, they sell a majority of them as singles now as well. I have the palette, so of course I don't need the singles, but I will go ahead and swatch all of the ones that I have. I only have 4 mattes, and they're these 4 mattes right here, so I will be swatching those first, and then the rest are all shimmer metallics. So grab your cocktail or a snack and enjoy. Coloured Raine eyeshadow singles do retail for $6.99. Coloured Raine will have sales from time to time, and sometimes you can catch their singles for cheaper than that. But I think even at $7 a pop, you're getting a really good quality eyeshadow for an affordable price. This shade is Gingerbread. And as you can see, it's almost the same color as my skin, which makes it a nice transition shade for many of my eyeshadow looks. This next shade is Moments, and this is a more brick brown, rusty matte shade. This is Chocolate, and this is another matte shade in the brown family, but that's a deeper chocolate brown. This is Black Moon, and this is a really pigmented black. And those are all the matte shadows that I have, and they work really well for crease shades, for transition shades, for deepening up the outer V, for neutral looks and colorful looks. This is Clutch Pearls, which is kind of a white with a little bit of gold with a smidgen of pink shimmer in it. This is Glisten, which again looks white in the pan but has more of a gold flash to it. I turned down the lights so you could get a better look at it. Hopefully you can see this has more of a pinky peach flash to it, and this has more of a gold. This is Glamour, and more of a bronzy, like a cool bronze, white gold. This is Flashy, which is a gold. Okay, so I turned off some more lights in the hopes that you could see these better. So again, we have from the left to right, we have Clutch Pearls, Glisten, Glamour, and Flashy. This is Champagne Life, which is champagne-y. This is Saint Germain Cocktail, which is kind of a peachy bronze. This is Superstar, which is more of a brassy gold. This is Chameleon, and this is more of a satin shade, a pretty lilac. This is Flashing Lights, metallic silver. This is Who Me, which is a bronze metallic. This is Shortcake, which is a pinky peach metallic. This is Happy Days, which is a bit of a duochrome. It's peachy pink. It's like peach with pink reflect. This is Downtown, which is a really metallic, beautiful copper. This is Pumpkin Pie, which is a fiery orange. This is Intergalactic, which is a beautiful duochrome. I can't even describe it. It's like this taupe with some purple plum. Camera is really not doing it any justice. This is Golden Olive, which looks more like a bronze champagne. This is Secret, which is a beautiful mink brown metallic. This is Bay Breeze, a beautiful, bright lime green metallic. This is Malibu, gorgeous, gorgeous teal turquoise blue. Okay, turn down the lights some more so you could get a better look at these colors. This is Fetish, a beautiful purple metallic. This is Blue Magic, beautiful blue with a hint of violet, but more blue. Side of Olives. This is a beautiful olive green. This is Unexpected, a beautiful green metallic. Last but not least, this is Forbidden, which is this gorgeous deep teal green. And I turned my lights down again in the hopes that you guys could get a better representation of what these shadows look like. So those are the swatches of my entire Coloured Raine single eyeshadow collection. I would definitely recommend them for those of you that are looking for some singles. $6.99, you're getting beautiful, beautiful metallic eyeshadows. Some really nice pigmented mattes. They're all pigmented. They all wear really well and they're just gorgeous. It's a really nice formula. If you liked this video, then please give it a like and consider subscribing, because I do eyeshadow tutorials, swatches, hauls, and reviews every Saturday on my channel. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.